Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a poll on Google Chat. So here first you just need to open the Google Chat application on your phone. Wait until it's perfectly open. The next you just need to open the group chat or the space that you have that contain or consists of the your friends here. And the next thing you need to do is just go adding this account into your spaces. So how to add those, just go tap into this information and you just need to manage apps, tap into this manage apps, and the next thing just go tap into this plus button, and then you just need to tap a poly app right here, and then just go click this checklist button. And the next you just need to go back into your spaces room. The next you just need to follow the instruction. Like the poly could be adding the information such as like this. That could be information about the tutorial how we can create a poll with a poly. So you just need to go tap add poly and giving the question with the option. So here you just need to go just like what poly instructed to us. So first add poly, and then go click this or add the symbols, and then just add the informations that you want to ask. Let's say here, where do we go tonight? And then go click add this button, and the next give it space and add the button again, and then you just need to go add the options. So let's say here call the name A and B and C. And right after that you just need to go click send. And now the application will be like sending to you the polling just like what I did previously. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.